Capricorn, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At ito isang timeless love reading about you and your person. So anytime na mapanood nyo to, as long as makaka-resonate kayo, this reading is for you. This is also a general reading, so just take what resonates, watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Pa-follow, like na rin na ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mystic Queen PH. Like, share, subscribe. Turn on post notifications para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. And if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang. Okay, Capricorn, let's see. You and your person. Tingnan natin what's going on with you and your person. For Capricorn. Okay, so recent energy, recent past, the devil. So that's your energy. You may be in a situation in the past, pwedeng naka-experience ka ng obsession, codependency, kind of toxic relationship in the past. What is the devil? Parang meron ditong hindi makawala sa isang connection, sa isang person. You have the Sun. Oo. The Sun is about confidence, no? So I feel like there is a very strong connection with someone in the past na you are still into, no? So let's see your energy, King of Pentacles. I mean, the energy of your person. So, you may be dealing with pareho mong Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. The Fool. There's a new beginning. Maaring your person wants a new beginning para sa relationship mo. You have the Three of Cups. So, some of you, maaring you are enjoying your life right now. Possible kasi rito is possible na nagkaroon ng separation in the past. You're just enjoying your life. With the Star card, I feel like you are connected with a lot of people. Mas gusto mo malaya, maraming kaibigan, maraming connections, maraming friends. So, yung energy ninyo pareho is may naghihintay. So, someone is waiting na makipag-ayos. So, it seems na itong person that you're dealing with is wala kang official relationship with this person. Yeah, pareho kayong may energy ng Aquarius, no? So, pwedeng kayo ay malakas yung Aquarius placements ninyo. You both want freedom. Oo. What is the Four of Wands? Near future. Four of Wands is about union. Coming together. Oh my God. Oh, the Lovers. I don't know some of you, this is not your existing relationship. This might be a relationship in the past na hindi ka pa nakaka-move on or pareho kayo hindi pa kayo nakaka-move on sa connection ninyo. And it seems that your person is stable naman na siya, no? Ini-enjoy niya yung kanyang freedom. But there is also an energy of parang gusto niyang sumubok ulit sa relationship ninyo. And also you, maraming Three of Cups, maraming connections, maraming friends. This is how you feel about the relationship. So I think Itong the star kasi is about hopes and dreams. So, possible that you are still hoping na itong relationship na to ay mag-work out kasi this is your energies, pareho ninyong energies. So, Seven of Pentacles is just waiting for fruition and the Three of Pentacles is working together. So, maaring merong, pareho kayong naghihintay na maayos yung connection ninyo over time. Ayan o, yung near future ninyo is being together. I think your person is medyo malungkot siya. No? Kahit successful siya, malungkot siya. Ayan o, I feel like you are already talking right now. But still, may pain. Still heartbroken. Yes, I think pareho kayo nagpa-practice ng self-love, self-care. Yes, marami ring options available sa inyo. So, kumbaga, if you will choose to be together again, choice nyo na yun. Pero, it doesn't mean na yan yung gusto nyo ngayon. Kasi pwedeng ini-enjoy nyo yung kanya-kanya yung buhay. Not enough. Hindi pa sapat ang maaring situation nyo ngayon or feelings nyo for each other para magsama. Oo. Lack of confidence pa eh. So, pwedeng hindi pa siya confident sa sarili niya, sa relationship, same as with you. But I think you are friends. Ito yung tipong may past, pero yung tipong alam nila na they still have feelings for each other. Pero wala silang ginagawang effort. To work things out. Although gusto nila pareho, pero wala silang ginagawang effort. Parang hinihintay nila yung bawat isa na, mag-effort. Like example, ikaw hinihintay mo yung person na yun mag-effort. Siya hinihintay ka rin na mag-effort and saka siya mag-work out. Ito yung, for some of you, ito yung person na natapos na yung relationship ninyo but still, naglilinger pa rin yung energy. You are still connected energetically with this person. Ito yung tipong kahit na meron kayong naging issue, naging toxic kayo pareho, but you also felt happiness being with each other in the recent past. So, in the near future, merong possible na magkabalikan. Para sa iba sa inyo na you still want to be together with this person. Where's this relationship or connection going? May manunuyo. Okay. Oh my God. Oo, pareho kayo dapat mag-e-effort dito kasi posible itong mauwi sa kasalan. Oo. With the Strength card and the Hierophant, tapos may Four of Cups, the Lovers. I'm seeing marriage in the future, but not in the near future. Siguro pag dumating yung time na ready na kayo or na patawad nyo na yung isa't isa at mas nakapag-focus kayo sa kanya-kanya nyong buhay. Alam mo yun, yung tipong ready na kayo, you are more mature enough in being in a relationship. So there is a possibility na maging kayo ulit, maging seryoso yung relationship ninyo. But as of the moment, I feel like you are both, pareho nyong ine-enjoy mo na yung buhay. Na tipong kung may mag-e-effort, di mag-e-effort din isa. Kung hindi, edi wala. Ganon. But nakakaloka Meron, parang ang tawag doon, rekindling. Oo. Mabubuhay ulit yung yung feelings for each other, and eventually it might, para sa iba sa inyo pwedeng mauwi sa pagsasama, pag-aasawa, pagpapakasal. Ito yung mature type ng relationship na tipong sa ngayon, siguro may kanya-kanya kayong buhay, may kanya-kanya kayong relationship, or meron kayong kanya-kanyang ganap sa buhay na kung i-involve nyo yung bawat isa, magiging complicated lang. But I feel like in the future, merong pag-asa na maging kayo pa rin. O, diba? So, that is your reading, Capricorn. Thank you so much. Bye!